Wagi wa maai kaunti-ini ya Nairobi utanyitwo gukorwo kiambiriria kuma mweri mweri wa Januari mwaka turorete.
We have always been working together. I believe the new year will give us more rooms to work together with the programs that we'll be having, and most also to closely follow this issue of the water production.
Riu aikari a Nairobi na matura maria marigiceirie ni marorio mai maria manini megukorwo makiamukira mamahuthire na njira iria yagiriire na gutuika unyihu ucio ndutanyitwo na gicunji kinene.
So you should not worry. And even that reduced production really is not a big issue. We will try as much as possible to make sure that it doesn't have big impact to the people.
Thina uyu ukite thutha wa mbura kwaga kura uria kurerigiriirwo mwaka-ini wa 2016.
Not spilled, and even the rains of April, they were not as much as it has been in the previous years. Yeah.
Maai macio maria maumaga demu ya Daka-ini tambagiria ikari icigo nyingi, Nairobi rimwe ya icigo iri tambagirio na njira nene.
But it is important for them to know that because of the drought, our dam was not recharged, and it is at 48% as of now. This is not normal. Normally at this time it is normally speeding.
Thina ucio utanyitwo gugathira mweri wa kana mwaka turorete. Ngirifuatira Inooro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.